Hey, hey, hey.
I seen this dancer, she was dancing and everything, kept walking up and down, falling through the quarters, and her little stiletto stepped on. I was like, oh, she's breakdancing.
Come on, God, I'm going to your restaurant. Come on, God.
Welcome back to BackFireMedia. We got a surprise for you guys today. We're going to a car meet. It's going to be StayHumble and collab with Evince in Manteca today at 7 o'clock. So we're here meeting up. We got some of StayHumble team here. Alright, so today we're here at Ivan's house. We got a few PMs today. Already showed up, getting ready for the meet. Come on this way. We have Ivan's car right here, going back to stock because he has something. He has something very interesting for you guys. I can't say what it is though. I can't say what it is. Come follow me this way. Checking in again. Here's the crew right here, rolling in deep today. We're here at the meet. That's how we do it here in the valley. Just walk around a little bit. I know who that is. Cleanest Hyundai around. What's up? What's up?
Get my good angles.
What up? up, my boy? Fred, what's up, my guy? What up, what up? Yeah, yeah. What up, bro? Sheesh. Hell yeah, baby. Just for you. Hey, come back here, though. Come back here, though.
What's up, bro? How's it going, man?
Chilling yourself.
Yeah, just chilling. We parked right here, so I don't know if you can find parking or not, bro.
All right, we'll do.
All right, see you around, bro.
Yep.
BBS diamond wet, and I got the bitch wet, Take a flight on the jet, put a lean in my wet, yeah. And that chopper gon' wear this whole block, You not slantin', you definitely not set, And that chopper gon' wear this whole block, You not slantin', you definitely not set, BBS diamond wet, and I got the bitch wet, yeah. Take a flight on the jet, put a lean in my wet, And that chopper gon' wear this whole block, You not slantin', you definitely not set, And that chopper gon' wear this whole block, You not slantin', you definitely not set, Walked in this bitch with a shawty, racks in the eye, yeah, I hop out the Audi. But you not gang, you niggas just sorry. Walk down on him, you get popped like a ollie. I had a gun in elementary, I feel like we so they asking me, who the fuck are these niggas, they testing me. Let them try it, I walk with that tech on me. And these hoes, who the fuck, yeah, they tackle me. And I walk with a lick of that sack on me. And you cuffin' that hoe, yeah, she sexing me. Put a seat on his head like a sesame. Rolls Royce truck, had to peel all the tint. Bad that bitch, some dick like a tea. No, I want water, I ain't talking about flick. Diamonds on my body, got pneumonia on my wrist. He try to run and get hit in the back just like Rick. Fucking that bitch and that pussy real stick. Three bitches dumb and they think they gon' trim me. Hop out the car, the bitch still like a chimney. Whoa, I just moved a kilo. Take a nigga shit like I'm Debo. And I'm in the hood playing CeeLo. And I said, BBS diamond wet, and I got the bitch wet. Take a flight on the jet, put a lean in my wet. Yeah. And that chopper gon' wear this whole block, You not slantin', you definitely not set, And that chopper gon' wear this whole block, You not slantin', you definitely not set, BBS diamond wet, and I got the bitch wet, Take a flight on the jet, put a lean in my wet, And that chopper gon' wear this whole block, You not slantin', you definitely not set, And that chopper gon' wear this whole block, You not slantin', you definitely not set,
I remember hitting them all with the whole team. Now nigga can't answer calls cause I'm balling. I was waking up getting racks in the morning. I was broke, now I'm rich, these niggas salty. All this designer on my body got me drip. Hey, straight up out the objects, I'm a big trip. If I got up on a lean, I'm a sip. I run the racks up with my queen like London and Nip. But I got rich on all these niggas, I didn't forget back. I had to go through the struggle, I didn't forget that. I hopped inside of the Mavic and now I'm sitting back. These bitches know me now, cause I got the big racks. Cause I'm getting money now, I know you heard that. Young nigga on the corner, bitch, I had to serve crack. Uncle fronted me some peas, had to get them birds back. We came up on dirty money, I gave it a bird back. Cut off the brain and I gave my bitch a new goof. Either you running y'all gang or you Suwu. Got a New Orleans bitch, him and that pussy voodoo. And I'm that nigga now, who knew? I put the new 4Gs on the G. I trap into the bloody bottoms is underneath. Cause all my niggas got it out the streets. I keep 100 racks inside my G. I remember hitting them all with the whole team. Now a nigga can't answer calls cause I'm all in. I was waking up getting racks in the morning. I was broke, now I'm rich, these niggas salty. I been waking up to get the money, whoa, whoa. Got a bad bitch ass tatted, whoa, whoa. Evince to my toes, 2 twins, I'm fucking them both. I put her in new AP, the water like a boat. I was down bad on my dick, what was you niggas at? I know you turned your back on me just to get some wrecks. I seen you swerve back, cause I'm in the black back. New diamonds on me, fuck a flash, this ain't Snapchat. Cause I been getting paid. Yellow diamonds on me look like lemonade. Got my baby mama that new Bentayga. Tryna get a dojo like a sensei. Rolls Royce umbrellas when I'm in the rain. I just mind my business. I got brothers that did the time, I ain't kidding. All these rappers just talk about it, I live it. Going up, I ain't got no sky limit, yeah. 4Gs on the G. I trap into the bloody bottoms is underneath. Cause all my niggas got it out the streets. I keep 100 racks inside my G. I remember hitting them all with the whole team. Now a nigga can't answer calls cause I'm all in. I was waking up getting racks in the morning. I was broke, now I'm rich, these niggas salty. I been ballin',
That's all I'm saying. He's gonna make his car look so good. It's gonna be like, it should be on whatever brand your car is, commercial. If it's a Honda, it should be on a Honda commercial.
It's gonna look like commercial, huh?
You feel me?
Yeah, that's right.
Straight up.
Like a commercial art?
Yes. E-Rock, where's your car at? Oh my God.
Hey, yo, shout out
Where's
to
your
Prism
car?
though, bro. To Modesto crew right there,
Yo.
bro. Shout out to Prism.
Bad is you. Come on, baby, you know that I'm bagging you. I had to get a Louis on bag or two. It is no one that is bad as you. We got no paddocks on paddocks too. Made it straight to the top, got a whole lot to lose. Keep on asking me shit, trying to find the truth. I said, baby, I'm better off lying to you. I said, baby, I'm better off lying to you. You will never be able to find the root. Everything on me designer true. Everything on me designer top suit. All of my diamonds, they pink or they blue. All of my diamonds, they yellow or white. I put that lean in the fan of no Sprite. Rollie got ice in the banner, right? We shot the op at a candlelight. My boys, they got choppers, can't stand a fight. My boys, they got choppers, can't stand a fight. He burn on to get to the commas. Niggas, they mad cause I'm big as Obama. Put that on my gang, put that right on my mama. Watch out for snake cause these niggas, they serpents. Pull up big body, made back with the curtains. Bulletproof, on up and take her, I'm nervous. Bulletproof, my whip like it's a Suburban. I fucked your bitch, I ain't do that on purpose. Had to say bye-bye that baby, your bird. He got out on the south, so I had to serve it. Dirty color stones, they look like a shirt. I'ma kill that pussy, get go big different murder. Whippin' circle, bitch, be paving me verses. Diamonds on my neck, I thought they be virgin. Come on, bitch, now tell me what.
Man, hey.
Hey, what's up, bro?
Hey, happy to see the Beamer, bro. That's just nice.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Stay humble.
Haven't got a chance to really fix it up yet, though, but
Hey, I'm excited.
yeah, it's gonna be crazy.
Yo, make sure you hit me up so we could get you at one of ours.
Oh no, here he comes again. Why you trying to steal my shot?
Actually, he's talking about myself. I'm gonna offer. I'm gonna say about myself.
Oh shit, how's it going? Pretty good, bro.
Yeah, it's cool, but it's just too much. Like, it fucking falls off. I gotta put it back on. It's just too much. Oh yeah, I only dropped it 2.5 inches, fool. Because I wanted to see where I was gonna be at. Because I didn't know if I was gonna have to roll these fenders or not. Because they're already like somewhere, bro. You don't want a camera?
What do you got to say about the Stay Humble with the collaboration with Evince?
Honestly, this is what the community needs. It's something that we need to all do together, start bringing teams together and start bringing families together, because this is family oriented. The more we do this, you see the youth start investing their time and seeing what the car community is all about. And we're
Right.
ready for the next move, baby. This
The
is just
next
the
one?
beginning.
This is just the beginning right here. We're reporting right here from BackFireMedia News at 3 o'clock. We got Base God right over here filming with his brand new camera. So let's get a word from Base God real quick. Come on. Base God! Base God! All right here. So what do you want to say to the fans of BackFireMedia?
Stay hydrated, drink your water. It's hot these days. If you need to shoot, hit me up.
Use your face mask, all right? Use your face mask.
Use your face mask.
And we only keep 3 feet apart because it's just kind of hard to resist each other.
Come back,
Okay. Hey, but I did see those photos of you and Juan on Instagram, so
Let's not talk about that.
if you want your photos or videos shot, you already know who to go to right here. Got the rig and everything. So right here, we'll put him in the bio. Base God. So we see a wild one over here. This is actually one of the leaders of Stay Humble Modesto. So
The recruiter.
The recruiter for Modesto, right? So let's go talk to Sandwiches. Sandwiches? We want to get a quick word for BackFireMedia. So
That sounds weird.
okay, let's get into it. So what can you tell us about Stay Humble Modesto?
We're growing.
We're growing.
Let's speak up a little bit. There's a loud car behind you, man. I can't speak up much more than that.
So today's meet is a collaboration with Stay Humble and Evince, right?
Correct.
Correct. And where exactly are we located at?
Right now we're in Manteca.
Manteca. And I mean, as you can see, if you lift, the camera up, you can actually see how many people came out. This is the first time we've actually had this event. Well, first time Stay Humble had this event. So, are you guys looking for new recruits or anything?
I mean, we just let everybody join. Kind of, we don't really recruit. We let people come towards us and see who gravitates towards us.
Right. Can we get a word with it? All right, so BackFireMedia right here wants a word with the famous Tev.
Okay.
So, we want to know how is the difference between the Bay Area and the Central Valley?
Man, that's easy, bro. Check this out. If you go to the Bay Area, it's fun, it's games, it's quick and easy. Not really so much easy. You kind of go there, show up, and
Right.
wait for the cops to come.
Right.
Out here in the valley, you come, you chill,
You chill.
you see every car multiple times. You can even say what's up to the cops. Super friendly.
Right.
We got our kids here. We got food here. We got drinks here. Bro, I don't have to say anymore. That's it.
Manish. So, bro, how's it going, bro? How'd you get here?
I got a ride with Sam, bro, the homie Sam. My
Yeah.
car is down right now.
I know my brother was just telling me that the clutch went out. And,
Yeah, I know, bro. It
Yeah.
sucks. 'Cause, I just got brand new wheels, so it is what it is. I'll be back soon, though, bro.
Yeah, for sure. All right, see you around, bro. All right, you safe out there.
I'ma go flex on a bitch, go stunt on a bitch. I'm sorry, I'm having my way. You ain't even with my team, you ain't with my gang, little nigga. Get the fuck out my face. I bought a Glock in the party, I shoot at the ops, they dancing like B2K. Nigga want smoke, I'm like, okay, we gon' pull up, take his ass out in broad day. I'ma go flex on a bitch, go stunt on a bitch. I'm sorry, I'm having my way. You ain't even with my team, you ain't with my gang, little nigga. Get the fuck out my face. I bought a Glock in the party, I shoot at the ops, they dancing like B2K. Nigga want smoke, I'm like, okay, we gon' pull up, take his ass out in broad day. It's more money out here to be made. Oh, none of these bitches get saved. I take this drip to my grave, bro. Dash on these bitches, I'm great. She on my neck like a groupie hoe. Had her before I was paid. These niggas lame, had to catch the boat. Tryna keep up on my way. I keep them racks on my nightstand. I don't put my trust in no.
What's up, bro? How's it going?
What's up, bro?
What's up,
A
bro?
little late, but oh well.
Yeah, it was chill.
I didn't notice you were right here already.
Yeah, I was here. It was getting a little rowdy, so I'm out.
Yeah, us too.
I'm about to go right now.
All right, so where are we going now? To Fire Wings.
Oh, you're recording?
Yeah.
The next stop is StayHumble. We're gonna go chill at Fire Wings and go eat some wings. You know, a couple people from the team had to go to work. They're going to work, and then the other of us, so we're gonna go kick it at Fire Wings.
Is that right here in Manteca?
That's right here in Manteca. Face God. What's up, sexy?
What? Can you say that louder? Can you say it louder for the vlog? What?
Being behind the camera, not in front of the camera.
We all have to conquer our fears, right?
I get shy.
Stop playing. Shut up. That's what they said online.
It's not even close at 12.
Hey, well, we got In-N-Out right across the street.
Well, back to
Can't go If I go lower, it's gonna land itself.
I just need the pieces.
Only if you need to.
I'll go lower.
Come on, I got money right now. I'll buy it off you right now. I'm away, bro. Ready. I'll be crashing or anything like that. It's got sensors too, so.
So how much you want for it?
I'll find it. Hey, man.
Bro, let me know.
This man's right here. He has a fucking money tree in his backyard. Don't tell nobody. Don't tell nobody.
I don't tell nobody.
Don't tell nobody.
All right.
This nigga's rich though. Oh! Why did you get loud? Oh! Stop! Alright, let me get that one. Let me get that one.
What the fuck? I bought this.
Bro, he's about to buy the one I'm gonna buy. You guys are unfair.
Hey, I'll buy that.
We're supposed to be a team.
Nah, I won't sell this one. As much as I said I would, I'm not ready. 80 all day, bro. That's yours.
Hey, look.
I gave it to her. I gave it to her.
Hey,
What are you doing?
It charges in there too and everything.
Yeah?
Yeah.
This is for phones and stuff?
Wow.
All your phones, bro. You
Okay.
can attach everything, the same setup you have right now. You can have it. You just don't need that stick anymore. You can
Okay.
do all that, and you can have the. Nah, bro. Nah, I'm good. When I get my other one, then I'll sell it to you for $300. I'll keep that price. Am I right?
Alright.
600. No, it's okay. That's not 600.
What's in there? What's in there?
What I'm about to show you. You feel me? What I'm about to show you.
Nah, I'm ready. I'm ready.
Alright, here we go.
Oh boy! Oh my! What is that? Is that the DJI gimbal? Oh, that's the Osmo Mobile, bro. What did I do? What that do?
Bruh, this is how we do wide angle and tilt. You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
Feel me?
You already seen some of the videos, right?
How much is that worth, bro?
Bruh, this right here is like 150
150.
out the box.
Shit.
Yeah, I sold it to you, bro, for 120.
How much you guys get it for?
80.
That can't be discussed.
Can't be discussed, bro.
Right there.
That's for the next video, right?
Base guard. Hey, base guard.
Hey, that's for your next video, right?
Hey. Do you read? Do you know what this is? This is gonna boost your game up. So, like your pictures and videos, Fuck that, whatever you got in the car. This is what you need. This is the next step right here. Okay? That's it. I literally just walked in my ear.
12 o'clock midnight.
Alright, so we just got back home from the StayHumble and Evince meet, and it was a success. Not a lot of, burnouts or swinging. I don't think no one even swung it, huh? No, so yeah, just like 2 burnouts, but overall everything was fine. And a good day with good friends, and got some stuff off our chest, whatever. But we'll be back with the BackFireMedia meets pretty soon, so yeah. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at the plug. Look at that. Got a stabilizer for like half off, huh?
Yup. Shout out to Vanessa. Shout out to Vanessa. Appreciate it.
WX Vanessa. Probably put her in the description below when we get this video edited. It's probably gonna take me a good day. Today's Saturday night. The video will probably be up by Monday afternoon or so.
If we hit 800 followers.
Ay, ay, ay. I like bitch, who is your mess?